I would like to introduce you with our first speaker, Dr. Ankesh Jain sir. He has done BTech from MNNIT from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, and he's currently assistant professor in IIT Delhi. His personal interest lies in circuit design, and I would straight away hand over the coordination to Dr. Ankesh. Sir, kindly take over the meeting from here.
Thanks, Prakhar. Thanks for giving the introduction. And I think I will now share my slide and straight away, like, are you able to see my slides?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So, as you already know that the major topic of today's discussion is regarding higher education. But the part on which I want to emphasize that is more related to research. So I will also cover the topic which you have given, but the flow is slightly more oriented towards research, and maybe the next speaker, Professor Rhythm, will focus more on the parts which I will not be able to touch. The point is, what is research if we want to define it? So research is actually a way to bring new knowledge. And how actually you can do research is, so for doing research, we need to have long training. So first, like as you already know, you first do bachelor's, then you do master's, then after that you get a chance to do PhD, and sometimes you also do postdoctorate, which is done after finishing your PhD, and then you may become a professor. But you know that even when you become a professor, this training is never ended. It's a never ending process. So whichever phase of your career you are on, you continuously keep on learning and you keep on bringing newer and newer knowledge. Okay. And higher education is just a step towards it. So if you want to become a good researcher, that is the first step you have to pursue. Then the next question is, what are the outcomes of a good research? So the major outcome of a good research is clear understanding. So when you do research, you enhance your knowledge, and through that you are able to understand the phenomena which are responsible for any event, and through this you are actually able to derive newer solution and find novel products. The byproduct of doing a good research is you may get a success, you can also get a fame, obviously you can get money, but the most important part is it gives you a satisfaction. So that's all, like we actually get through the research. Then the next question comes is, what should be your area of research? And I will say, like, this is a very important topic, because for selecting your area of research, you should pay a great attention towards what your real